now. Income Tax Department is recording the statement of Robert Vadra in connection with an alleged tax evasion case connected to Benami properties. Vadra was earlier summoned by the IT department, but he had sought more time, citing COVID. IT department officials are recording the statement of Vadra at his office in Sukhdev Vihar. We'll also try to get you pictures of that raid that is going on right now. IT department is also looking into the source of money for the alleged Benami properties. Let me quickly go back to Arvind now with all the latest. Arvind, can you take us through the exact details of what this case is?
Thank you. The income tax officials are recording the statement of Robert Vadra in connection with an alleged tax evasion case linked to a Benami property. In fact, the enforcement directorate in 2018, during a different scope, they got to know that there is a Benami property that is allegedly owned by Robert Vadra in London, which is worth 17 crore rupees. And according to the enforcement directorate, this particular property was bought through an arms dealer, alleged arms dealer, Sanjay Bhandari in London, with the alleged kickbacks from a 2008 ONGC Samsung engineering deal. So that's the case on which the enforcement directorate had initiated a money laundering probe against Robert Vadra, and Robert Vadra has already got anticipatory bail in the same case. So now what we are being told is that the income tax department has also taken cognizance of it, because income tax department has a separate unit called Benami Property Prohibition Unit. So that particular unit is already probing this particular alleged Benami property, which is allegedly owned by Robert Vadra. And what we are being told is that now the income tax department has taken this particular probe to the next level, where they are looking into the source of this particular property, and also looking into whether there are any tax allegations, tax evasion in connection with this particular probe. So earlier the income tax department had summoned Robert Vadra to join the investigation, but Robert Vadra had cited the COVID pandemic, and then he asked for more time to join the investigation. So now the income tax department, they themselves are reaching the office of Robert Vadra in Sukhdev Vihar. What we are being told is that his statement is officially being recorded by the income tax department regarding an alleged tax evasion linked to this particular Benami property.
Yes, and that picture that you see on your screen right now, these are visuals of the Sukhdev Vihar office of Robert Vadra. In fact, the income tax department is quite familiar with this address. They've come to this place quite often, and the questioning is happening today as well.